Okay.
Hi, welcome.
Hello.
I'm Márta Vaida. I'm the marketing director of ICELA, and this is Peter Maximilian, the managing director. And we're here today to talk to you about ICELA, which stands for the International Center for English Language Acquisition. What is ICELA?
So ICELA is not a school, it's a center. And what we do is we focus on the student's ability to acquire a language that's foreign to her or him, in this case, of course, English. And so we created a program that is based both on virtual and non-virtual experience. So that means that you can come in also from anywhere in the world virtually and join the non-virtual experience where a class is going on, or a session is going on, I should say, and be part of it, and you can interact. And there's going to be a maximum of 10 students in total. Plus there will always be 2 native speakers to help create discourse.
How are the offerings of ICELA different than any other current offerings at a traditional school, for example?
So the ICELA curriculum that I had mentioned before is the foundation of what's called the communicative approach. This is an approach that is in contrast to your book learning. It's in contrast to the typical classroom, the studying of quote-unquote grammar, so to speak, which is really not grammar. And so the focus is on developing the ability to speak the language. To first of all, of course, you have to be able to listen and grasp the sounds, and then be able to function and perform in the language as well. And we don't use a book. We don't follow a book per se. What we do is we create material based on real life settings.
Like in a setting that we are in
right now,
for
exactly.
example.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. Yes.
In Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So we'll have more videos describing what we're offering and what's to come, basically, with ICELA. And
so stay tuned.
Absolutely, stay tuned.